Hey guys, this is Upesh from Beebom.com and we are here in Las Vegas for CES 2020 and MSI has unveiled a lot of cool new laptops, gaming headphones, gaming monitors and whatnot, but there's one laptop that I found really interesting and I think this might be the laptop of 2020, the MSI GE66 Raider. Now what makes this laptop truly amazing? Well, let's check it out. Well, this is the brand new MSI GE66 Raider and yeah, this is a gaming laptop that looks super cool. Mostly thanks to this. Yeah, this RGB LED light bar stretches across the front edge and MSI calls this the all-new panoramic aurora lighting and you know what, I like it. I mean, this is kind of a unique way to put some cool RGB lighting on a gaming laptop, isn't it? Anyway, the rest of the design might not be as flashy, but it is premium looking. The laptop has a silver aluminium design all across, be it the back or the chassis, and that means this is a premium looking and feeling laptop. There's also a more flashy limited edition of the GE66 that's called the Dragon Shield Limited Edition and it does look really cool. This is a design that's inspired by Star Wars and designed by Coley Words, who has worked on a lot of Marvel movies, Star Wars movies and more. Now the MSI GE66 Raider is obviously a very good looking laptop, but I like the fact that it's also very portable. MSI hasn't revealed the weight and the dimensions, but I did find the laptop fairly portable when I lifted it up. Plus, I like the fact that I can lift the lid with just a finger like this. Yeah, it's great. Now, the portable part is interesting because it's a big battery in here, which I will get back to later on. Anyway, the design here is pretty functional too. On the I/O front, you get almost all the ports you can think of. There are USB-A ports, USB-C ports, HDMI port, a headphone jack, an SD slot, and a proprietary charging port that supports up to 280 watt fast charging. If you're wondering why not USB-C charging, well, MSI says they wanted to offer faster charging with a proprietary port, so I'm okay with that because, you know, faster charging for the win. When it comes to the keyboard, the GE66 Raider comes with MSI's Steel Series RGB keyboard that supports per key RGB lighting with smart key illumination based on the visuals in a game. Now, the Steel Series RGB keyboards are something that a lot of people have liked on other MSI laptops, be it for the typing experience or the gaming experience or the software control. So I'm hoping it stays the same with GE66 Raider. Onto the display now, which is one of the big highlights of the GE66 Raider. This is an IPS display here, but it's not your usual IPS display. This is a 300 Hz display we are talking about. Yes, a 300 Hz panel, which should be pretty awesome if you play a lot of fast shooting games. Now, I did not really get to test the 300 Hz display on the GE66 personally, but this full HD G-Sync compatible display does look pretty nice, so I'm positive. Anyway, the 300 Hz display is set to be optional as the laptop will also come in 240 Hz display models. Moving on, apart from the fancy new design, the ultra-fast 300 Hz display, one of the big highlights of the GE66 Raider is the big battery. The laptop comes with a 99.9 watt-hour battery, which is the biggest battery size that is allowed on AirPods, so the battery life on this laptop should be pretty good. As I mentioned, the laptop supports charging up to 280 watts, so it should also charge up fairly quickly as well. Having said that, all of these things are something we need to test out to get a better idea. If you're wondering what's under the hood, the details are scarce, be it on the cooling front or the specs front, but the MSI GE66 Raider should come with Intel's upcoming 10th Gen Comet Lake H series CPUs, along with fast SSDs and lots of RAM. When it comes to the graphics, the GE65 had top-of-the-line Nvidia 2070 GPUs, and the GE66 Raider should come with the latest Nvidia graphics too. Now, do note that there are some details we aren't allowed to share yet, but MSI should reveal these details once the laptop is closer to launch. Apart from that, the GE66 Raider and all the new MSI laptops will come with the updated Dragon Center software, which will bring a new, more straightforward UI, one-click optimization, gaming mode 2.0, the ability to customize settings in a game, and better updates. Well, that was a quick look at the new MSI GE66 Raider, and apart from this, MSI has also unveiled the GS66 Stealth, which has the same 300 Hz display and 99.9 watt-hour battery in a design that's definitely classy and more understated, something a lot of people like. Anyway, coming back to the GE66 Raider, this is a laptop that looks like a great follow-up to the very popular MSI GE65. The GE66 Raider brings interesting design changes that really make it stand out. It brings a new ultra-fast 300 Hz display, a big battery, and obviously all the performance upgrades. Now, like I said, a lot of people think the MSI GE65 Raider was the best gaming laptop of last year. So the MSI GE66 Raider certainly seems on track to be the laptop of 2020. Well, we'll find out. Anyway, how do you like the MSI GE66 Raider? Do you think this is the laptop of 2020? Tell us in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos from CES 2020. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.